Alright guys, sa mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat, meron tayong isang reaction video dito kay Rob Trip at Harry Roque. Humarap na sa hearing si nila Risa Hontiveros na dinadawit sa Pogo. Panoorin po natin guys ang sagutan ni Harry Roque at si Risa Hontiveros, ang ating senadora. Alright, no other further ado, let's do watch guys. Go, go, go.
Basta ang malinaw po sa komite ay yung organizational chart na yan na may drawing, may box na legal, na nandun yung pangalan nyo, was one of the official attachments sa submissions ng Lucky South 99 sa PAGCOR. And sabi nyo nga, ang tawag nito, yung obligasyon ng Pogo na Lucky Star sa PAGCOR ang pinag-uusapan ninyo sa PAGCOR. So, due diligence, bilang abogado, dun sa mga diskusyong iyon, alam nyo kung ano yung mga dokumentong sinumite, alam nyo yung mga official attachments na nakalagay doon. Did you confront Cassie Linong about this? Or kinasuhan nyo ba siya na kung bakit nandun yung pangalan nyo sa organizational chart?
Madam, nagagalit po kayo dahil sinasabi nyo, binibigay ko ng mga salita ang inyong bibig. Pero right now,
Yung naman po nagagalit, sinasabi ko lang wag niyong gawin yun.
pero ngayon po, sinabi nyo, you again insinuated that I had anything to do with the document. Ayun nga po sinasabi ko. As far as I know po,
Attorney, please stop using that offensive verb insinuating. I am a very plain speaker.
Okay, I'm
Pwede
sorry.
nyo lang, it's all right. Pwede
Okay.
nyo lang sabihin mali yung fact na
Mali po.
sinasite, tinatanggi nyo yung sinabi ng ibang resource person. 4 na taon na pong itong investigasyon. Halos wala na pong nag-insinuate kasi dire-diretso na pong mag-usap. Okay, so please tell the committee, kinonfront nyo ba si Cassie Linong or kinasuhan nyo ba siya? Bakit nandyan yung pangalan nyo sa
well,
organization?
unang-una po, nalaman ko lang na nandun ang aking pangalan nung nag-hearing po last time dito na sinabi ni Chairman Altenco. Pero bilang abogado and naging professor ng constitutional law, I'm familiar with the rules of the Senate, and the Senate says that in proving facts, the rules of court apply in the suppletory character.
I don't need to argue with you about
Opo,
that, attorney.
pero
But you
ang
don't need
sinasabi
to,
ko lang po-
excuse me, sandali po. You don't need to tell the committee what the rules of the Senate
Well,
are.
I'm just
Please
citing
just
po.
answer our question. You don't
My
need to
answer
cite,
po
it's not
is
necessary.
that document is only evidence of its existence. Pero para patunayan po yung katotohanan na nakalasaad sa dokumentong yan, dapat meron pong testigo na nakakita ng ginawa yung dokumentong yan, o di naman kaya testigo ng gumawa ng dokumentong yan, o di naman kaya yung testigo na pumirma ng dokumentong yan.
Actually,
At
as
wala
I
po
said
yan,
earlier, excuse
hindi
me,
po
excuse
siya
me.
po
No,
pwede.
excuse
Ma'am,
me.
excuse me
No,
kasi
no, excuse me, Attorney Roque.
I'm sorry, madam, but I am a
it's all
resource
right.
person invited.
Yes, you are.
I
Wait,
was asked
let me
to
finish.
answer.
Yes, you
Hindi ko
already
po
answered in
maintindihan,
excess.
Kapag gusto nyo
Sandali
akong
po.
tumigil, papatigil nyo kapag ako nag-explain.
Yes,
I thought we were engaged in the search for the truth.
Oh, definitely we are. Attorney Roque, what I'm saying, yes, and Sherwin.
Attorney Roque, please be reminded to respect the chairperson.
I'm very respectful, Madam Chair.
Paano respectful na nagsasalita siya, sinasabayan mo siya?
I apologize, Senator Gatchalian.
One more,
I
and
apologize.
I will cite you in contempt. And if you disrespect the chairperson, we'll be compelled to cite you in contempt.
I understand and I apologize.
Huwag mo naman sabayan siya, nagsasalita siya, siya ang chairperson.
Okay, Your Honor. I understand. I apologize.
Alright guys, ayan ang sagutan nila Harry Roque at Senadora Hontiveros. And nagalit na si Win Gatchalian. Alright, maraming salamat sa panonood at pagkinig dito kay Rob Trip. And see us against the next one. Alright, and thank you so much sa inyong lahat. And peace out.